stars, how are you all? Welcome to the class of business studies. Today we are going to discuss about the topic small business in India. Small scale and cottage industries, they are playing an important role in Indian economy in terms of employment generation and growth of the nation. Following are some important roles played by small scale and cottage industries in India. First is employment generation. According to Planning Commission, 519 lakh persons are getting employed from small and cottage industries. Out of these, 36 lakh persons are employed in village industries, 54 in handicraft and 120 lakh in handloom industry. So they are the main providers of employment to the rural and to local areas. Then comes production. Small scale sector contributes around 49% of total industrial production in India, and its scope is also increasing day by day. Equal distribution of national income. Because of cottage and small scale industries, income generation is created or generated for the lower class, for rural areas, and that leads to equal distribution of equal distribution of national income and wealth. Efficiency of small scale industries. They are more efficient because number of studies that has revealed that small sector has tremendously improved its efficiency. Because of lower scale, economies of scale are gained earlier, and there is more proficiency and efficiency. Lessening of pressure on agriculture. Indian economy is based on agriculture. 70% of people are engaged in agriculture profession. The land holding being small there creates disguised under unemployment. Agriculture sector cannot sustain the population of rural areas. So cottage industries, rural industries, they provide full and part-time employment to agriculture workers, and it reduces the pressure on agriculture. Mobilization of local resources. Small industries that they make use of local resources which would have otherwise remained unused for the want of such industries. Then comes regional dispersal of industries. Small scale and cottage industries are playing an important role in dispersing the industrial unit of country in various parts of the country, while large scale units try to be near big cities. Small business benefit by going to the rural areas. Then it also encourages to cooperation, and it is suitable for underdeveloped areas because it leads to regional development and equal distribution of income and wealth. So this was all for today. In our next video, we will study about. If you have any doubt, any query, you can drop on Google Class. Thank you, Shan Stars. Take care, all of you.